In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to work the kitchen timer on any Cuisinart microwave. It's fairly simple to do. So the first thing you want to do is locate the kitchen timer button, which you see one right here, kitchen timer. So you hit it once, and it'll go up to 99 hours if you want to, but most people are going to do minutes. So for example, let's say we're going to do 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Only thing you would do is simply hit 2, 3, 0 in that order. And then what you're going to do is click on start right here, the very bottom. And then what it's going to do is that once it comes done, it's going to beep 5 times to show you that you're ready. If you want to do, for example, 11 minutes and 20 seconds, you just do 1120. So what we do is hit kitchen timer first, and then 1120, and then you hit start. And that's how you work a timer, kitchen timer, on a Cuisinart microwave. Thanks for watching.